Can you truly be awake, fully present in your daily life in this time of intensity?
Hi, my name is Claudia Bartsch. I'm a certified yoga teacher and yoga therapist.
My name is Minna Sivola. I'm a certified sound healing practitioner. And together with Claudia, we have been offering restorative yoga and sound healing workshops here at the Integral Yoga Institute for about 3 years.
Lately, when speaking to students, I realized that many feel overwhelmed, anxious, or depressed when facing the intensity and complexity of daily living. So Minna and I have spoken and decided that we want to expand what we offer here. So it still facilitates the immediate experience of relaxation and restoration, but also adds tools that people can take with them to cultivate that in their daily life. And I feel that this work these days has not only the personal benefit of helping us to maintain health in our bodies and calmness in our minds, but that it's also collectively really quite important that we stay calm, centered, and wakeful, so we can make decisions that are not based on fear. So we can make decisions not being on hyper alert in our nervous system, but having a certain amount of calmness. So we will still offer restorative yoga. I will add body work and energy work simply to help the physical part of the person to become more relaxed and to experience a deep sense of release. But I will expand the practice of pranayama, breath work, simply because the breath is very intimately linked to the nervous system. So simply by breathing differently, I can move from the stress mode, from the fear mode, into relaxation mode. And I can do this pretty immediately in my daily life, anywhere. I will also guide more and longer meditations, the most powerful tool to examine our attitudes towards life, the reactions, the responses that we have, so we can slow down, so we can become more mindful and make decisions that are sane and wakeful.
And we will also do some vocal exercises, simple, something like humming and toning, to really kind of give ourselves internal massage and open our own vibration for the yoga poses and to receiving the outer sounds. The sounds that I will be making are very subtle and that go deep into the body. They are tuned into the natural rhythm of the whole nature. And they will help you to get deeper in your poses, as well as they will free your mind. And all this is really to teaching us how does it feel to be relaxed, and what's the difference in this intense daily life and here, and recognizing that, and then learning some exercises that you can do easily at home, that when you are on that intense situation, that you know that, oh, this is what I can do to help myself to calm down and get out of it. So our workshops are going to be 4 times this year, from 4:30 to 7, and they will be on Sundays, February 3rd, May 5th, September 8th, and November 3rd. And you can find the information at the Integral Yoga Institute website. So we hope to see you there.